Welcome back to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. Today, we're diving into a story that's shaking the foundations of the automotive world: Ford's aggressive price cuts. As one of the industry's giants fights to keep its cars moving off the lots, there's more at stake here than just sales figures. From strategic pricing maneuvers to quality control nightmares and financial tremors, Ford's latest moves could be game-changing for the entire industry. Let's explore the 8 critical reasons why these price cuts might reshape the market as we know it. Reason number 8. Ford's price cuts. Strategic or desperate? Ford's decision to slash prices across its lineup isn't just a knee-jerk reaction to boost sales. It's a calculated play. After initially raising prices to create an aura of exclusivity, Ford found itself in a tight spot when consumer interest plummeted. The result? Dealerships overflowing with unsold inventory, especially those iconic F-150 trucks. Now, by dropping prices, Ford hopes to reignite interest and clear out that backlog. But this is more than just a quick sales fix. It's a high-stakes chess move in the auto industry. Will this strategy revive Ford's standing in the market, or will it cost the company more than it's worth? With the brand's reputation hanging in the balance, Ford must navigate this carefully to avoid further financial strain and preserve the quality and prestige it's known for. Reason number 7. Quality control woes, Ford's Achilles heel. Ford's quality control issues have become a significant problem, with the Ford Bronco gas leak scandal serving as the latest example. The defect, which posed a fire risk, was addressed with a quick-fix solution that many saw as inadequate. This has only fueled doubts about Ford's commitment to safety and reliability. The Bronco's issues are just the tip of the iceberg, representing a broader trend that threatens to erode consumer trust. As Ford grapples with these quality mishaps, the impact on brand loyalty could be severe, undermining its efforts to recover in a fiercely competitive market. Reason number 6. The sales surge. A closer look at the numbers. While Ford reported a 7.1% increase in overall sales in 2023, with truck sales surpassing the million-unit mark, its market share fell to 13%. This decline, despite rising sales, suggests that Ford's growth isn't keeping up with its rivals. The surge in sales is largely driven by an aggressive dealer incentive program known as stair steps, which rewards dealerships for hitting high sales targets. However, this strategy, while boosting short-term sales, raises concerns about its long-term sustainability. Is Ford creating a demand bubble that's bound to burst, or will this approach help solidify its market position? We'll dive into the complexities of sales figures, market share, and the viability of Ford's incentive-driven model. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 5. The ethics of Ford's sales tactics. Ford's sales incentive programs have sparked ethical concerns, as many dealerships prioritize meeting sales targets over delivering a quality customer experience. This pressure to hit quotas often leads to a rushed sales process, leaving customers feeling overlooked or unsatisfied. The emphasis on volume rather than value raises questions about whether these practices truly serve the best interests of customers or the brand's long-term reputation. The potential for increased customer dissatisfaction could have serious consequences, damaging Ford's reputation and eroding trust. These practices not only challenge the ethical standards of customer care, but also threaten the brand's ability to maintain loyalty in an increasingly competitive market. Reason number 4. Financial fallout. The cost of electrification. Ford's aggressive push into electrification has come with significant financial repercussions. Each electric vehicle sold incurs a loss of $36,000, contributing to a staggering $4.7 billion deficit over the past year. Despite these heavy losses, Ford remains committed to its EV strategy, betting on a future where electric vehicles become the market norm. The financial strain is substantial, with forecasts indicating even larger losses of $5.5 billion in the coming year. This high-stakes gamble on electrification is reshaping Ford's broader strategy, impacting decisions on pricing, production, and overall financial health. The real question is whether this bold investment in EVs will eventually turn profitable or lead to further financial distress for the company. Reason number 3. The software shift. Impact on repairs and consumer rights. Ford's shift to proprietary software in its vehicles reflects a larger trend among automakers and is causing significant debate. By adopting next-generation proprietary systems, Ford is effectively locking out independent mechanics from performing essential repairs unless they pay substantial fees for access to the necessary diagnostic tools. This move pushes vehicle owners to rely solely on authorized service centers, thereby reducing competition and driving up repair costs. As a result, consumers face higher maintenance expenses and limited repair options. This strategy not only impacts vehicle owners' rights, but also raises concerns about the long-term affordability of vehicle upkeep. The broader implications include potential consumer backlash and strained relationships with independent repair shops, highlighting a critical shift in the automotive industry's approach to vehicle maintenance. Reason number 2. The pricing paradox. Short-term gain, long-term pain. Ford's aggressive pricing strategy presents a complex dilemma. On the surface, significant price cuts might appear advantageous for consumers, potentially attracting more buyers and clearing out inventory. However, these reductions could also indicate underlying financial difficulties within Ford. Such pricing strategies risk devaluing the brand and affecting resale values, which might deter potential buyers and damage Ford's market reputation. While the aim is to boost sales in the short term, the long-term impact could be detrimental. Lower prices could lead to reduced profit margins and exacerbate financial challenges for the company. This approach creates a paradox where immediate sales gains may be offset by future risks, affecting both Ford's profitability and its brand perception in the automotive market. Reason number 1. The verdict. Ford's risky gamble. Ford's current strategy is facing a critical crossroad. The company is grappling with multiple challenges: quality control issues, ethical concerns in its sales practices, substantial financial losses, and the controversial implementation of proprietary software. These factors contribute to a precarious situation where the bold moves, such as aggressive price cuts and a significant push towards electrification, may either position Ford as a leader or lead to further decline. The strategy's sustainability remains uncertain as Ford attempts to navigate these turbulent waters. The company's future hinges on whether it can overcome these hurdles and leverage its aggressive tactics to secure long-term success. The outcome of Ford's strategic decisions will be crucial in determining its trajectory in the coming years. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest vehicle updates and insights, make sure you subscribe to Piston Pundit. Also, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.